Hey guys, it's Jesse, welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to be talking to you guys about cockatiels. But first, before we get into that, I would like to say, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post a video. So let's get in. News again, news, politics, yuck. It's just nasty and boring, so let's push that aside and focus on some animal videos. So, cockatiels. Number one, the cheery and chatty cockatiels. These intelligent birds can learn in different commands. Two, experience level is intermediate, so it does take a bit of experience to handle these types of birds. They are very affectionate and need more affection. I've had cockatiels for ever since I was one, so about 20 something years. Alright. Size of cockatiels grow up to 7 inches, which is 30 centimeters from head to tail. The lifespan of an average cockatiel is 15 to 20 years old. My birds that I've had went to about 17. So yeah, that is inaccurate. So cockatiels are the smallest members of the cockatoo family. So they are in the cockatoo family. Number 6, origin. So the cockatiels are native to Australia, as well as cockatoos and those type of stuff. So behavior, they enjoy daily interaction with the humans. You must keep in the family area because they can be crazy. Cockatiels are very demanding. They will use their voice. 9, their vocals range from soft cheeps to ear-splitting shrieks. 10, cockatiels do get depressed, so if they're left in the cage for too long, they will start plucking out their feathers, and that's just a stress mechanism that they have. So you just want to be careful when you have a cockatiel or a cockatoo. Mostly it doesn't. I've never really seen any cockatiels doing that. Mostly cockatoos I've seen. My cockatoo is fine. That's because she was out in the living room. Alright guys, yeah, so that's all. I will see you guys next time. Please like, subscribe and share this video if you enjoyed it, and click the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post a video, as well as smash that thumbs up button. Also check out any other videos that we have here, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.